Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is from our recent trip on Wonder of the Seas. It's our second time on the ship. This is our favorite ship currently. This room is 11271. It is an interior two-person room. When you come in the room, these rooms now have a master switch, which requires either your room key to turn the lights on and keep them on, or you could put if you had an extra gift card in your pocket, you could put in one of those in there and it'd work as well, just so you don't have to keep leaving your room key in there. Here's your closet, lots of cubby holes, your safe, plenty of room for two people, lots of hangers, plenty of room for your suitcases down bottom. And there is room underneath the bed for the suitcases as well. There's a dresser as well. If you're looking for the Kleenexes, for some reason a lot of times they hide them right here in this drawer, along with the hair dryer. Here's a cooler. They don't call it a refrigerator anymore. It's just a cooler. Then you have two European outlets, two USBs, and three regular standard outlets. Nice mirror with lights in it. Over near your bed, they did something right on this one. They put USBs and regular outlets on each one of the nightstands. A lot of old ships, I have to run an extension cord over because I have a CPAP machine, but luckily I don't have to mess with that here. Like I said, this is a two-person room, so it does not have a couch. Here's the bathroom. This bathroom is pretty tight. It's all your normal stuff. Slanted wall on the one side. Got a couple little cubby holes. Put your stuff on the right hand side. Toilet. And then your shower is pretty tight. The shower head does adjust though. And here's your body wash they give you, as well as hair. And they do have a footrest for the ladies to shave their legs. All in all, we enjoyed the room. The walls are metal and the door's metal, just in case you didn't know that. We take magnetic hooks for my wife to hang her hats or decorate the room, as well as this dry erase board. We put our sign from our channel on it. Other people like to use it to communicate with each other. If they're on a cruise with other people, they can say, hey, we're at the Windjammer eating, or what floor they're on, just to let people know where they're at if they leave the room. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.